Here's a 60-second script for the Polynomial Roots Interactive Calculator. Ever stare at a polynomial equation and have absolutely no idea where to even start? Yeah, same. Whether you're an engineering student, a teacher building lesson plans, or just someone who needs fast, accurate answers, finding polynomial roots manually is brutal. That's exactly why we built this free Polynomial Roots Interactive Calculator. Just type in your polynomial coefficients, hit Calculate, and instantly see every real and complex root laid out clearly. No textbook hunting, no formula memorization, no second guessing. Let's try one. Say you've got x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. Plug in those coefficients, 1, negative 6, 11, negative 6, and boom. Roots are 1, 2, and 3. Done in seconds. It handles everything from simple quadratics to higher degree polynomials. Stop wrestling with the math. Use the free calculator right now. The link is right below this video.